In this video, I am reviewing auto-binary signals. That's coming up next. Hi guys, this is Chris Morton from binaryoptions.net.au, and in this video I am reviewing auto-binary signals. So some pros and cons of the auto-binary signals software are, the pros are that it accepts US traders. So as the software is web-based software, you basically choose your own broker. It works with any broker. So just basically choose a US broker if you're from the US, and you're good to go. So they offer 1 minute, 2 minute, and 5 minute signals, and they also offer 15 minute, 30 minute, and 60 minute signals. So it's a pretty comprehensive signal service. They also offer a 60-day money-back guarantee, which is very good offer. You can also use your current broker, or when you actually get your subscription to the actual service, you can actually choose one of their brokers as well. But they both work independent of each other, meaning you'd have to have your logged into the auto-binary signals web page and also logged into your broker, and they just have them side by side. There's no actual integration like some other signal services out there. They also have a daily proof of their signal history, so you can actually see how they're going. Their record at the moment is an 80% plus signal record. So some cons are they have a very annoying sales funnel. So you'll see this when you actually join. You'll be repeatedly prompted to upgrade to the various add-ons. They also have a pro signal service. They'll also have a automatic trading option as well, where you can actually tell them just to automatically trade your account with their signals. But all this is actually continually in your face until you actually get to the actual last step of buying the actual subscription. I liken it to if you've ever joined, or if you ever tried to purchase a flight online with some of the cheaper flight services, that they're constantly giving you upgrade offers and hotel offers and things of that nature. This is very similar. So if you can just put that to the side and just keep clicking no thanks and go to the next step, to the next step, you'll actually get to the point where you can actually subscribe to the software. So some company information. They're based in London. They were founded last year, and that's their contact email, just support@autobinarysignals.com. So getting on to the actual software. So the software itself is actually just web-based. So it's actually just you just log in with your username and password in any browser. The expiry times that the signals are offered on are pretty much everything from 1 minute to 5 minutes, from 15 minutes to 60 minutes or 1 hour. Because it's web-based, it can work in your mobile or on your tablet. I highly recommend using this on your desktop. It's just going to be easier to have two windows open to do your trading. So the option types are just on your high, low, or 60 seconds. Just your basic vanilla options, and they're offered for every single asset that there is. We recommend, and they also recommend, that you actually join a couple of different brokers, because sometimes a signal might fire through on a particular asset, but for some reason your first broker of choice isn't offering that particular asset in that point in time, whereas another broker will. So it's always good to have two brokers for backup. And like I mentioned before, the accuracy of their signals is at currently around 80%. So how much does this cost? So the main ABS software is a $97 purchase. So this is a one-time lifetime fee, and you have the software for life. They also offer a 10-day trial at $5, which is quite good as well. So I'll move on to the various upgrades that you can do. You can upgrade to their Pro Signal service, and that's $210 a month. And what you get in the Pro Signals is you get more indicators used for their signals, so they're more accurate signals, and they actually even guarantee perfect signals that can't lose in this service. You can also upgrade to their strategies upgrade, which is just more information to help using the ABS software more effectively. You can also upgrade to their pro training videos. So this is exclusive videos that really give you better insight on how to use their software more effectively. So I recommend probably initially just doing the 10-day trial and then upgrading, if you like that, after 10 days, and just buy the main software and just upgrade it as you like it and as you get better using the software. The purchase options can be just PayPal or credit card. So what brokers should you use with AutoBinarySignals? Well, to be honest, use any broker that you're comfortable using. I recommend using it on the spot option or the Tech Financials software. Main reason being is they actually offer all the various expiry times that the AutoBinarySignals matches up to. So on the spot, it's going to be Go options and Redwood options for USA traders, and Bank to Binary and Option Rally for rest of the world traders. On Tech Financials, I recommend 24 option and Boss Capital if you're from the US. Hi guys. Okay, so when you first log in to the AutoBinarySignals, you'll be taken to your default dashboard, and this is sort of how the screen looks. You can see here that my subscription is only activated for the AutoBinarySignals service, and you can then upgrade to the other strategies, training, and other pro signals that they offer. So to start using the AutoBinarySignal service, you click on the main ABS tab in the top menu, and here you'll start seeing signals getting alerted through. There's two ways to know that a signal has come through. Is basically you'll get, if your sound's turned up, you'll hear a little bleep, and the other one is actually just on the screen. You'll see a countdown. So when a countdown starts, it means that you should actively trade that signal. So to get access to the 1 minute, 2 minute, and 5 minute options, you got to go to option type and click that tab. And for 15 minute, 30 minute, and 60 minute options, you click that. You click this tab here. Also, if you scroll to the left side where there's like a little light bulb, that means there's an active alert happening. So we'll stick on the 1 minute to 5 minute options, and currently see there's one alert that's got 3 seconds left to trade. So one little tip that you should note is that usually when an alert happens, they suggest a 3 minute countdown to use it. You should try and execute your signal as soon as it comes through, but no later than less than 60 seconds. If it gets into the 60 seconds, you're probably better off passing up on that one and going to the next one. So it's very easy to use. When a signal comes in, you basically see the asset, then you got your which way the arrow is pointing is which way you'll do your call or put. So if it's an up, it's obviously a call, and if it's down arrow, it's obviously a put. Then you got your signal timeout, which is the countdown to when you should execute. So here we go. One's just come in now. It's the New Zealand USD asset. They're suggesting an up call. They have an 86% recommendation that this is going to be a winner. And so this countdown has happened. So right now you should go to your broker and basically buy that option. If this signal gets down to less than 1 minute to go, they recommend just to pass up on this signal. You're probably going to be risking it too much that it could actually be in a loser. There's also another column here, correlation, which is actually another asset that you can use to trade with. So you can also click on details and get a bit more information. So you'll see the different indicators that this particular chart has actually fired off. So all these are indicators that they use to recognize whether that they think there's a good opportunity in the market. And then there's this MetaTrader chart here, so you can get a bit more details as to why they think this particular asset in this point in time is worth trading. So you can see here that since this went off, it's about a minute left to go. This particular indicator actually has turned into yellow, meaning that it's just not as a strong indication anymore that this is going to be a winner. So if we bring up the 15-minute 1 hour charts, same deal here. You probably get a longer signal timeout opportunity to get in, and it's pretty much the same setup. Got your indicators here, 87% recommendation this is going to be a winner. We've got 3 minutes left to call this. Alright, so next part of this video is that we'll actually trade some signals. Okay, so signals gone through here on the USD Japan. You can actually see there's also a correlation with the British Pound USD. So we'll go to our broker. We're in the 60-second option. So we'll find the USD Japan. It's suggesting a down. So that's actually been put in. Of course, we also can do a 5-minute one, or up to 5 minutes. We'll also do a 2-minute option. Also, it's going to be down, so that's gone in. So we can have a look at our open positions. So you can see here, USD Japan, downtrend, bring up more details. It's hit 4 different indicators. So we'll just follow this through. Looks like they're both winners at this stage. Okay, so the first one was a winner, the 60-second option. Still another 60 seconds remaining on the 2-minute option. So we'll go back into the main menu. So another one just came through just then. Platinum, another also downtrend, 90% success rate recommended, or probability on that. So there's a few alerts coming through right now for various assets for the range of 15-minute expiries to 1 hour expiries. Also some correlations there with other assets. So just moving back to this particular 2-minute option. Looks like this is going to be a winner too. So there you go. The first 2 trades that I put in using AutoBinarySignal at least have been a success. So it's actually very easy to use this software. It's probably the best I've seen actually to date in terms of use. It is a manual use, but the usability is very easy. Like, it's very easy to see which signals to use to come in, clear indications of when to use the signal and when not to use the signal. As long as you have your broker open and you're ready to go and fire off the signal straight away, you're good to go. So if you have any questions about AutoBinarySignals, please comment below this video. I'd like to know if you have used AutoBinarySignals and whether your experience was a good one or a bad one. If you have actually tried the AutoBinarySignals, please post a comment and let everyone know how you went with the software, Was it a good buy? Did it actually work? Was there any tricks or tips that you can recommend to other guys out there looking at this video and thinking whether they should actually go with this service? So thanks for watching our auto binary signals review. Please visit our website for more signal reviews. We also have a binary options course and ebook. We also have a forex trading course. And if this is the first time you've watched one of our videos, please subscribe to our channel and Google Plus page. This will help you keep up to date with all our latest videos which we post every day. So until next time, may all your trades be profitable.